Lok Sabha MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol has urged youths and students in the state to give importance on overall personality development in addition to their education. The MP was speaking in a felicitation program for meritorious students of Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School in Keshampat today. Speaking further in the program, which was organized by 1982 matric alumni of the school, MP Bimol said, students and youths need to be aware about issues that concern the state, country and the world. He encourages the students to have a good outlook and understanding about what's happening. For that, students should read newspapers along with their academic books in order to keep themselves updated. While lauding Ramlal Paul School for imparting knowledge and for nurturing discipline to students, Dr. Bimol said the school has produced many invaluable persons who are contributing to the society. He also urged the students not to get disheartened with their poor results in exam by terming it as minor hurdle, while also giving more emphasis on the overall holistic development of personality. President of 1982 matric alumni of Ramlal Paul, A. Guneshwar Sharma, principal of the school, Hobam Bobby, along with other eminent persons, graced the felicitation program today.
Larik kanna paba, larik fazana tauba, aduga aigi nature malay wazasu koi wairabina, larik katana di kunsi yadabani. Overall personality develop tauna ba leipak ka kari thui habse aware of me se mature of me magi sign ne na lambi se hana khara phagre haina lep kan loina mak topor loi gi ba matang asi loina mak kunsi gi loi silam dai ji loina kana su position ke su loina phasana lei adu noina sida soi hore haidana kunsi loi le su khan no noi third division the power of me ba banang is koi wai hani ngai leti sana adugi basically examination is only a facet of life macha makatani and overall loina hosi larik phangda award from the issue adugi consistency na leina hona ba adu overall personality develop tawna hona ba duga atopa sath noi khara phagna phangda su noina mudai da goal handa na demotivate away exam is, don't forget, is only one facet of life, is only an experience of life. That is not the life. Sino na mga